your undergrad and postgrad applications will be totally free of cost. Hi, my name is Shiv Pandey and I work in the capacity of International Recruitment Partnership Advisor for University of Maryland, Baltimore County. So when it comes to UMBC is a public university. We are ranked number 63 among all the public universities in the United States. We are located between Washington, DC and the Baltimore City area, 30 minutes away from DC and 15 minutes away from Baltimore City. Now, this location is one of the major USP of the university because it's a very centralized location. You are close to the capital. You're surrounded by all the major industries present in US, healthcare industry, AI industry, IT sector, finance sector. Every industry is present near Maryland and DC. Amazon HQ is just 10 minutes away from the campus. Microsoft, one of the very big offices, just 20 minutes away from the campus. So you get a lot of job-related opportunities near us. Plus, Baltimore, Maryland is a very suitable weather condition. We do not experience harsh temperatures like -30, -40. Our extreme winters go just -1, -5, which is compared to other US states, it's one of a very pleasant weather. So you do not have to adjust in terms of weather conditions. Second thing which a student has to adjust a lot when he is planning to study overseas is food, which is not at all a problem at UMBC. You get all sort of vegetarian, Indian food options in the campus and nearby the campus also. So this is all about living there. And when we talk about our education, so we are a research one honors university. We are research intensive. All our undergrad, postgrad and PhD students are involved in a lot of research. We focus a lot on our STEM related courses, especially when we talk about technical or engineering courses. We have almost every discipline related to that. We work very closely with the US government departments, like we are the authorized NSA for cyber defense in US. We have our research with the US Armed Forces also. We also do a lot of work with NASA. NASA DC Center has a designated space for UMBC students. We are very closely working with the recent NASA project to send send people to moon. Our undergrad students are working on creating equipments for the astronauts and for that project. So we work very closely with these departments. And when we talk about some other courses, we have some amazing courses related to business, psychology, health sciences, biological sciences also. And all these courses are available in the PhD level. So whatever you want to study, undergrad, postgrad or PhD, we will have those options. Now we also provide some great scholarships for undergrad students. For undergrad, our fees is just $32,000 per annum. And we provide scholarships up to $22,000 per annum. So it covers almost 60-70% of your tuition fees. $15,000 is which is very, I would say, easy to get. $22,000 would be little competitive, but yes, we have those kind of scholarship options for you. And when it comes to grad courses, we do not offer scholarships, but we offer something better than that. We have graduate assistantships, which can cover more than what a normal scholarship can. So if you get any GA, RA or TA at UMBC, you get around a $11,000 discount. Our fees would be $27,000 and you get a $11,000 discount in the fees. Also, you get a monthly stipend of an average $2,000 per annum. So it will cover all your tuition fees and some part of your living expense also. And for PhD, it's mostly funded. So you can apply for any of these programs. When we talk about how will you do the applications, we have one more advantage. If you apply through Hurray, we are working very closely with them. Your undergrad and postgrad applications will be totally free of cost. Otherwise, there is an application fee. But because we work very closely with Hurray, you can apply to any of our undergrad or postgrad program free of cost. So this is all about UMBC.
Hurray, your one-stop study abroad partner. Call us at 9900621169.